Right, so here we are back at work. I thought I'd just do a quick video of our old, the oldest machine we've got, which doesn't do a lot of work these days, but in the past we've used it a lot. So it's an old Hitachi EX15. It's a 1995 machine. I'll say, as you can see, it's missing the bottom half of the window, front window, one of its features. Another is his features is there's a piece of wood holding the front window up, otherwise you get that on your head. It hasn't been started for 4 weeks, so I thought I'll just do a quick start video for you. 3 weeks worth. Normally it's as good as gold, but we'll give her a try anyway. There you go. Starts on the button. Unfortunately I don't know the hours because the hour meter stopped working many years ago, probably about 6 years ago, so that's it, but 995. So it needs all new bushes throughout. Even the arm can do the rebushing, but so we don't use them very often these days. But so check out the play in the arms. Play the boom. It's got a lot of play in it, but so it will still dig a hole when needed. See, they'll see. Nice about that, but it still does the job when you need a machine for a small job. Still keeps going.